It's Martin Luther King and John Lewis, The Good Kind of Trouble, Selma to Montgomery March. Well, I did the Selma to Montgomery rally in 2023. All right? We're talking about racism then and racism now. Racism don't work without black cooperation. It ain't gonna end without white participation. That's the topics of the Baltimore City Dissent Decree. First Amendment, protected activities. First Amendment means that I can make this movie about Baltimore. Baltimore Rewired, the money behind the machine. I'm famous for toilets and I'm gonna run with that shit. I'm selling toilets and that's a prop for my movie. Talking about slavery then and slavery now. We're not fighting for the dead past, but for a living present and a glorious future. I'm fighting for my future. I'm gonna cook in Baltimore. Getting ready to cook y'all up 2024, 2025. That's a testimonial from Karen York, Job Opportunity Task Force. All right? Y'all know Shorty, and everyone has their own story or reasoning is why they love or hating. All right? Love me or hate me, you're going to respect me. I'm going to cook in Baltimore. I'm getting ready to cook y'all up. That's Sam Cunningham. Me and Sam grew up together. Sam Cunningham got a brown envelope. That brown envelope exposes the corruption in Lake County, Illinois. I also made a documentary about it, a federal investigation. So Sam, remember that Stop Snitching video? You and Mayor Brandon Scott better start snitching. That's Michael Galliano ask him about me and my family. All right? We're going to talk about the war on drugs and the drugs that y'all use in y'all's community. Yeah, lawyers, politicians. Yeah, we're going to talk about all that. Ask Michael about Shorty. Because like I said, when I name you, I'm going to name you and tell my story. And you could tell your story. That's Mayor Pugh. All right? Mayor Pugh gave me the Community Verizon Award for the things I do in the community. Mayor Pugh gave me the Verizon Award. Man, I can't even get this right. It's the Community Verizon Award. Put it right here. Verizon. Dwayne Shorty Davis, community activist. That's 2016. And I'm still standing. You feel me? I'm building toilets like you build a bear. Just like Martin Luther King public accommodations. Right here. October 2007, Dwayne Davis, my store on Falls Road. A request I was in to get a sandwich about 10 days ago. Enclosed is a Sundance submission. All right? Sundance Film Festival. That's Clinton Kelly from Utah. All right? Salt Lake City, Utah. Supposed to enter this into the Sundance Film Festival in 2008. Y'all locked me up in 2007 and held me for 186 days. Y'all destroyed evidence. That's Asselbrook with an ass. And when Senator Harris was Senator Harris, her too, when she was the California Attorney General. That black girl magic caused a lot of black men pain. So this is Asselbrooks with an ass. When you sitting in that seat, I need you to defend my rights. That's the session for 2025. Got 90 days with Shorty. And you got 90 days with Shorty. Like I said, I'm selling toilets. And man, Brandon Scott, you bought one. Latest Design is a movie. The prop for the movie is the toilet. Slavery in Maryland. 1634 to 2007. And we put it in art. Slave catching in and slave catching now. Commissioner Worley got my information. We're going to break ground on a new way of life. That's city paper. And like I said, the making of Black America. Black Arts District. Dear Mr. Bailey, in regards to the videotaped interview, all right, that's me, 1402 Lochner. You kidnapped me from my home. That's the United States Supreme Court. All right, Davis versus Illinois. Dwayne G. Davis, Falls Road. This is the Supreme Court, Chief Justice Roberts. So we're going to take this to the Supreme Court in 2025. If I don't get exoneration, I want the Supreme Court. Illinois and Maryland, Dred Scott makes it a federal offense. Y'all heard about Dred Scott? Well, that's President Obama, Lisa Madigan, Patrick Fitzgerald, Director of the FBI, Governor Quinn, Governor O'Malley, the Lake County Board, Judge Bell, Snowden. All right? So Luke Clippinger, You're the House Judiciary Chairman. Lou Clippinger got my paperwork and he don't want to act on this information. Lou Clippinger is a lawyer. He's an officer of the court. If you don't act on that information, that means that you can be disbarred and criminally charged. In Illinois, they did Operation Greylord in the 1980s. We're going to do Operation Greylord here in Maryland in 2025. City, county, state, and federal levels. If you participated in my illegal incarceration, you can go to jail. It's Monopoly, the Cheaters Edition. And I'm working with the bank, M&T Bank. Remember that. 90 Days of Shorty. We're going to have got a hell of a story. Truth speaking to power. That's why power shut the fuck up.